Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole Faulkner, aka LipstickNick, Morphe's Director of Global Artistry. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys the new additions to our Morphe 2 line. Alright guys, now it's time to add a little sparkle and a little shine to finish off this Morphe 2 look. And what better way to do that than with the brand new Happy Glaze Lip Gloss. These lip glosses are formulated with moisturizing ingredients like vitamin E, so you're going to end up with a ultra shimmering shine, but they're also very nourishing, very hydrating, and non-sticky. Alright, so I love all of these, but I think I'm going to go with All Smiles, which is this second shade right here. It's kind of peachy, kind of pinky, but I think it's going to complement my whole look that I got going on. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it right now. I personally love lip glosses that have a little bit of a sparkle particle in there because those particles actually expand in light and they make your lips look fuller and bigger. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We can't wait to see all of the beautiful looks you guys create using these new Morphe 2 products. Make sure you guys share them with us on social media using our hashtag Morphe2. See you guys next time.